Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bickerstaff's Atlanta East Auto Auction on a Saturday night in Loganville, Georgia. Remember, Monday is 9/11. We will never forget that day of all the first responders and all the people that gave their lives for our country. It changed our country forever. We'll never forget. So let's have a moment of silence on Monday for 9/11. God bless America. Before we do anything, let's go right to the right-hand corner and hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment button. Whoa. We appreciate it. It's a Monday night sale open to the public and the dealers. So everyone is welcome. It's a 3 p.m. preview, 6 p.m. start. Our phone number is 470-552-1032. Anywhere, anytime, we've got the deal maker right here for transportation. 770-425-5725. Just give him a call, 1 to 100. He'll get them. Our run list is on AE Auto Auction now. We got over 150 to choose from and counting. So go online. We got most of them online. We got a lot coming in on Monday. We will have some coming in tomorrow, but you'll get those on. So go online when you see this. About 95% of the cars will be here. And we got maybe 2-3 loads coming in on Monday. Join us on our Facebook group, Atlanta's Premier Public Auction. Check us out on all our social media channels. We're on all of them. Let's keep it rolling down here in Loganville. Thank you last week for a great sale. We appreciate it. We're rocking and rolling in Loganville. We're going to tell you who's coming this week. And Dealmaker just keeps on rocking and making it happen. So start the A lane off. We got Honda South. They got a double load this week. ROF's got a double load this week. Valley River Chevrolet's got a good run. Ginn Chevrolet, they got a good run. Ginn Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and Loganville Ford, we went by there today, and Barry's got some unbelievable, beautiful vehicles, trucks that he's sending down here, so we've got a good selection. ALM's got over 20, beautiful trucks, good vehicles, we're really excited about them. Jim Hudson Acura, really surprised and really happy with the stuff they sent. Jim Hudson Lexus out of Augusta, they sent some real nice vehicles. Hayward Allen Toyota's coming on Monday. Don't forget about Georgia Northside Auto Sales. Mike Mathea's down here tonight. We're excited about to have him. He's got over 15 to choose from. He's got them all cleaned, ready to roll, and they're very nice units. All been inspected and they're certified. So all I got to do is put a little gas in them. So we're excited about our sale. We got over 150 to choose from. We're going to have a good turnout. We're excited about that. Back to Monday. And we just want to thank you for all the participation you've been giving us. So see you on Monday night. Be here.
Come to the east side where buyers and sellers agree on one price. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we will see you in our blazing A and B lanes every Monday night.